Hi guys, it's Hello Beer right here. I'm back. Ugh. 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 I'm back with Monkey Swingers. I'm sorry that I couldn't do a video of the update, but I'm gonna do one of Caves when Caves opens. Boop. Now let's check. Oh my gosh, the finger painter bed! Let me see. It's an early access badge. It's supposed to be. I don't care. Yes. Yes, I need it. Okay. I don't. What the frick? I remember this update.
It looks like he's on a taxiing runway. He's gonna get in a plane and fly away. This is why you fight the fire. And there's our private jet. I'm getting on a private jet with the dumbest outfit in our cars back. What am I doing?
Oh, look. Look at me. I went the. I don't think that it works. But it looks so chubby with it. Look, I have the finger painter badge. I wish. Wait. Oh my gosh. I miss you. Oh my god.
Washington State, and now we're at our next location, the youth store. So like we talked about in the bonus chapter, it's right beside Costa Rica Trade, whatever that is. Right beside. I just left this store. And I'm gonna put this sideways here. This is this. And I'm just trying to know how will they look like. If that doesn't make you this, maybe we can.
Nah, I'm scared. Nah, Lucy's gonna haunt me, bro. Well, look at that beautiful man.
Hey, there you go. Time is running out. Carl sucks. Hey, check the tracker right now. We have to go upstairs to get service to check. Are we free to get out? He's gone. He's long gone. Here's the thing. There was a box truck when we got here. He's gone in the box truck. on, we just gotta go. Up next, we're going to Jimmy looks like he just crossed the bridge and now going to a boat. Oh my goodness. So we gotta play.
Oh my gosh.
What else is he gonna do?
Oh my god.
Even though that was really cool, the box truck moved incredibly slow. So this will be your ASAP. What's up, man?
Oh my gosh.
What's up, dude?
There's-
Hey, how's it going? You getting in a boat? No, actually, I'm not. It's a nice pier you're in. Wait, where are you? Maybe there might be about the taxi you're in about. Look, and now we're turning the tables. You think we're right behind him and we're gone. I was calling him to brag about the boxes, but now I'm confused. Alright, there it is. Go, leave it. The car.
the heck?
They're coming. They're coming. I got you some swan boats. It's only
Well, I think that's it for the video. Bye. I'm about to punch you.
Well, that's it for the video. See you in the next time. Bye. Wait, but first when you leave, ask your parents if you could watch the Ninja Turtles movie. It's in August too. Bye.